My second question or set of questions relate to the Accountant General's Department. For some reason, a large number of pensioners were not paid for the June month ending June. Pensioners who actually submitted their life certificates, and I have spoken to a number of them. I don't know what the issue is here, but it seems to be larger than the norm. And as I said, in this case, they submitted their life certificates. They are being told that they have to wait until the next pay cycle at the end of July before they can be paid. Now, we have to think about most employed persons cannot go 2 months without being paid. And pensioners are now being told, having missed the June payroll, that they have to wait till the end of July to be paid, which means going 2 months. Many of them don't have children or other relatives who can buy them over during this period. So I'm asking you to use your office to get the Accountant General to make the outstanding payments before the July pay cycle. It may require additional administrative work, but we can't ask people to go 2 months when they have done what they were asked to do. They submit their life certificate, so that's not the issue. But there are clearly other issues, and it is much larger. Every month you will have a small fraction outstanding, but for some reason this June period seems to be larger than others. I don't believe the issue here is lack of funding to the Accountant General's Department, but whatever it is, a lot of pensioners have not been paid. There hasn't been communication, and being told to wait to the end of July is really not satisfactory. A satisfactory response to that particular issue.
Member, I agree with you that if that's the case, then it's not satisfactory for our pensioners to wait until the next pay cycle. To be honest, I had not heard of this en masse until you mentioned it, so this is something I'll jump on and investigate. Yes, every month I may get a WhatsApp from 1 or 2 persons saying I have not received my pension payment, and of course I ensure that the respective department or entity respond to it. But it sounds as if you're saying more than the norm, and so I will definitely.
I mean, there was something on TVJ News last night, I believe on the radio earlier. As I said, it is beyond the norm. You always operate with a very small fraction who may have issues, but I have spoken to a couple who submitted, got their receipts, so they have the receipts of their life certificate in hand, and for whatever reason they haven't been paid, and they simply don't have the funds to wait till the end of July to be paid.
I agree, member. It's unacceptable.